Well, we've got some new developments in the legal fight over the care and custody of a newborn. A surrogate who carried the child of a California couple now claims she should have sole custody of the baby and that she came to Texas seeking legal protection to stop a possible abortion. Now, that newborn was delivered here in Dallas, and the intended parents are demanding that the surrogate end any claim to the baby. Our Steve Pickett is live inside the George Allen Courthouse downtown with the new details for us. Steve.
Yeah, that newborn, by the way, Karen, is very, very sick but alive. He is at the center of this legal fight now in the courtroom right behind me. That fight still goes on as we speak. Let me show you the players involved here. Nasheen Gilkar and her husband, Omar Ahmed. You see them images here coming into court earlier today. They say that baby boy is theirs, born to a surrogate. They say that child is loved and wanted by them, and any other claim is false. The other person involved, the surrogate, her name is McKenna West. Also images you'll see of her coming into court as well. She gave birth to this child here in Dallas just 2 weeks ago, and purposely coming here, she said, to stop what she called a requested abortion. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton received a court order on behalf of that then unborn child. But today, this court hearing has included emotional testimony from Nasheen Gilkar saying she and her husband are taking every medical step possible to save this baby, who they say, again, is their child. That child, by the way, with a congenital heart defect. It is impacting the left side of that heart of that child. Now, Ms. Gilkar confirmed that she and her husband wanted to terminate that surrogate pregnancy back in May, and that was part of the testimony today. It's McKenna West, who is the surrogate, has admitted today, however, that she wanted custody of the child, but now willing to give up that fight. That was part of the testimony we've heard here. The primary focus is who should receive sole conservatorship, custody, if you will. The argument before this judge is that that's already been established. If this couple says the child is there's the court in California already established that, and this claim to move this woman to Texas and fight for this, it should not be acknowledged by this court, and they should receive their child. We'll update you, of course, if anything changes in this courtroom. For now, reporting live, Steve Pickett, CBS News, Texas.